Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the CLVJ modeling comb. The front of the box is pretty minimalistic with just an image of the device. On the top left, we have some descriptions showing that this product is aimed at men and that it is a modeling comb. On the top, we have some illustrations on the various hairstyles that can be set using this device. On the bottom, we have some technical specifications like its exact model number, which is FB161, and the voltage, which is AC 110 volts to 220 volts at 60 Hz. The power consumption is 10 watts. The back of the box has an image of the comb, and some of the features have been called out and marked. For example, number 1 is the comb, which is a detachable unit and you can remove it by sliding it out. It also has a ceramic coated hot plate. It has an on-off lamp to notify you if the device is on or not, and a power switch. There is nothing on either side, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the modeling comb itself. As you can see, there's a white and black color scheme going for it. The handle is a glossy white, whereas the business end, or the where the heating element and the comb is, has a grainy black finish. The comb attachment is detachable and it can be removed by sliding it out like this. That also reveals the ceramic heating plate, which is in blue. Next to the handle, we have the pilot lamp, which shows if the device is powered on or not, and next to that we have the on-off switch. Coming down to the cable, we can see that it is a flat type of cable, so hopefully it should prevent tangles. It is approximately 50 inches long, and at the end of the cable we have a standard 2-pin Indian plug. At the bottom of the handle, we also have a loop in case you want to hang this up somewhere. The usage of this comb is pretty simple. All we need to do is run your hair through this comb attachment, which will in turn heat the hair, and it will also help with the styling. You can use this comb to set various styles like it's mentioned on the box right here. One thing to note is to be careful and not touch your skin to the heating element. As long as the hair touches it, it should be fine, although do not touch the hair onto the heating element for too long either. So this was the unboxing of the CLVJ modeling comb. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.